Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to write files from EC2 to EFS and then read them through a Lambda function. Why did I choose this approach? Well, while S3 might be a better option, in some cases you have an infrastructure, you set up EFS, and EFS is a great for share file storage across multiple instances, and also there is a documentation on how to Lambda function file system, how to set up the Lambda file system. Maybe there are some cases. Now let's check the code. First, I created a VPS, and then we need to create subnet. I have two subnets, but I am using the first one. Next, I set up the EFS, the subnet, and then I set up two security groups, one for the basic ingress, SSH, and the other, the second one, is for the NFS, to allow EFS access. Now, I need to create a EFS. Here is a simple metadata, but then I have to specify the mount target. The mount target has the subnet ID and the security groups, which are also very important, and the ID of the FS. Then I need to create the EC2 instance here, but I prefer to use user data script to the instance that is used to perform two tasks. The first one, mount the NFS, and then create a demo text file here. Now, we have to create a EFS access point. Set up a EFS access point that Lambda will use to access the file system, and this is the path. We have to access to the Lambda function. The Lambda function will have access to this path. Now, the Lambda role. To create a Lambda role for Lambda with necessary permissions, but you can see here, this is the Lambda function, this is the Lambda role, and then attach policies. There are two policies: the Lambda basics, and the Amazon Elastic file system. Attach those two policies to the Lambda role. Now I have to set up the Lambda. This is the last step, and there is three important points here: the Lambda role, RN, like the role we have previously created, and then the access point for the Lambda function. The last one might be the ops. This parameter is very important because you have to wait for the mount target. If it ends, you can create the Lambda function. Now let's see. Let's see the EC2 instance. Here I have my EC2 instance, which, this is the public IP. I printed the public IP here. Now I have to check if the file exists. Yes, it exists, but I need to just check if it has the same content. Now let's move to the AWS to check the Lambda function. Here it is. If this is the code to the function, we have to test. And I hope you find this video helpful, and see you in another one.